In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USPS stamps online. If you want a simple and reliable way to purchase stamps without going to the post office, the easiest option is to use the official USPS postal store. Start by going to the USPS stamps page on the official postal store website. Using the official USPS site is important because it helps you avoid counterfeit stamps and make sure you are getting real postage that can actually be used for mailing. Once you're on the site, sign in to your USPS account. If you don't already have one, you can create an account before continuing. This part is usually quick, and having an account can make future purchases easier as well. After signing in, take some time to browse the available stamp categories. USPS typically offers several options, including forever stamps, commemorative stamps, international stamps, holiday stamps, and collector stamps. This is helpful because not all stamps are the same. For example, forever stamps are commonly used for everyday domestic mail, while international stamps are meant for letters going outside the country. Collector and commemorative designs can also be a good choice if you want something more unique or visually appealing. When you find the stamp design you want, click on it to open the product page. From there, choose the quantity or format you prefer. Depending on the stamp type, you may see options like a sheet, booklet, coil, or pane. Keep in mind that availability can vary depending on the specific design, so some formats may not always be offered. Next, click Add to Cart. Then open your shopping cart and review your order carefully. This is a good moment to double-check that you selected the correct design, format, and quantity before moving on. When everything looks right, enter your shipping address and payment information. Make sure your address is accurate so your stamps are mailed to the correct location without delays. After that, place your order. Once the purchase is complete, USPS will mail the stamps directly to your address. Standard shipping times can vary depending on where you live, so delivery may take a little longer in some areas. One important tip to remember is to buy directly from USPS whenever possible. USPS and postal workers often warn that heavily discounted stamps sold through unfamiliar websites, social media ads, or online marketplaces are often fake. Genuine USPS stamps are generally sold at face value, not at unusually large discounts. Another benefit of ordering online is that USPS often carries many stamp designs that may not be available at your local post office. That makes the online store a convenient option if you want more variety and the confidence that you're buying authentic stamps.